We're finally doing this. Welcome to my tiny Tokyo apartment tour. So I live in a studio apartment. I pay 85,000 yen per month, which is about $550 USD. So starting with the entranceway, this is the classic Japanese genkan, where you take off your shoes. It's also filled with recycling, like any good traditional Japanese apartment. And I have a giant coat rack with way too much stuff on it, including this Trader Joe's bag. Which, by the way, if you have this Trader Joe's bag in Japan, you are one of the cool people. So this bag is so popular. I see it all around. Yeah, my genkan is probably like the worst part of my house. It's not decorated at all. It's literally just like utility. I guess next I'll show you the bed part of the room. So yes, here it is. The living room slash bed. I did get a loft bed. It's from Amazon. Most of the stuff in this apartment's from Amazon because I don't have a car. I really enjoy the couch. Ugh. So yeah, it's small, but it's actually a really good size for me because I'm small. It's comfortable. Again, couch is from Amazon. I really like it. I have these like fairy lights here. Oh. I don't know if you can see them, the battery is dying, so they're pretty light. So what I really like about this loft bed is the shelves. So I have some stuff that I collect on them. And this is the worst part of the loft bed. I have to go on this adventure at night every time I want to go to the bathroom. Yeah, this is what the bed looks like. And above that is the aircon, which saves me every winter and summer. Here's the remote for it. Next to my bed is the desk, where the magic actually happens. So yes, more shelves. I freaking love shelves. I have a lot of stuff on here that's just like random antiques. Some plants. Oh, this plant is from Daiso. I got it when I first moved into this apartment and it is still going strong. Love that guy. As you can see, I just have some of my like YouTube lights here. I don't have any space for them. And it's just like annoying to pack them up and take them out every time I need to film. Okay, last thing in this room is this table thing. I have two stools and this table. I originally intended for this table to be like something I would eat on, but it actually is way too semi. It's too narrow. So I ended up just using it to like put my mail on. So yeah, next to that is the kitchen. So I actually really like this kitchen. One of the reasons why I chose this apartment was because of the wooden cabinets. It didn't look like the cookie cutter standard apartments that you usually find in Japan. And here's like the shelf with just random stuff on it that I use often. This is my favorite thing ever. This is my tea maker. It's super handy. You put the tea leaves inside and then you just like pour it to make tea. Next to that is the double electric burner. Don't love the electric burners, but they work. I have my rice cooker, my rice oil, the fan. Oh, my very important Berkey water filter that I brought from New York. And then behind that is the refrigerator and the washing machine. Oh, and the oven. So I have the oven on top of the refrigerator. It's a pretty good sized refrigerator for one person. And I don't have much storage, so I just put a bunch of stuff on the washing machine. I also have a stepping stool here because the cabinets are like pretty high for me. Like I can't really reach the top shelves. So yeah, that's the kitchen. And then next to the kitchen, we have the bathroom. I have this like mirror with 3 things on it that I got from Amazon. It's the only full body mirror I have. And yeah, so here's the bathroom. I do have a fancy Japanese toilet with all of the buttons. Yes, I know. I keep my towels in that basket. And yeah, I really love this bathroom. It's really different than the standard Japanese bathroom. It has a lot of space, a nice sink, and a nice mirror. I don't know why I said mirror like that. Mirror. Yeah, so this is my Japanese bathroom. What I'm trying not to show you is this mess over here. So this is like where I keep all my skincare and like hair care stuff. But I think next apartment I want to get something that's like hidden, like a cabinet that I put them in that you don't see it, because it's just an eyesore. So then there's the shower room. So it's a pretty nice size. I like it. Love again, the dark wood. There's all my stuff. Gotta have the viral Korean face wash. This actually is really good. And yeah, same with the viral Japanese hair mask. Love this. Right now I have a bunch of laundry stuff here because I'm about to do some laundry. I can dry my laundry with this thing. There's like some drying functions. So yeah, like I said before, I pay 85,000 yen a month for this apartment. I also pay 1,000 yen for a management fee. So I guess they like clean the outside of the building. I don't know what else they do. Oh, it's also like, I guess if something's broken, I can call them and they'll come fix it, which did happen with my closet. I have too many clothes. Oh, I forgot to show you my closet. So we also have a closet here. I'm not going to show you the inside of it because it is just full of clothes. It's like literally about to burst open. So it looks big, but it's actually pretty small. It's very thin. I just have one closet for my whole apartment. So like I have nowhere to put like my vacuum or like my other closet stuff that isn't clothes. So anyway, as I was saying, this apartment is 85,000 yen per month. I pay a 1,000 yen per month management fee and 850 yen per month for the guarantor company. The guarantor fee, it's only 850 yen a month, but I did have to pay an upfront fee of 1 month's rent, which was kind of expensive. So if you don't know, in Japan, when you move into an apartment, you need a guarantor. And most people will use like their friends or family or like their company, but I didn't have any of those when I first moved to Tokyo. So I had to use a guarantor company. So yeah, it's really small. It's hachijo. So I don't know what that is. I have to like look up the square feet or square meters. I'm not even sure what we use in the US to measure apartments. I am moving soon. I'm moving in with my boyfriend. More on that in another video. Yeah, let me know what you think of this apartment. Is it worth it? Would you want to live somewhere like this? Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.